Alright guys, got a sport mod getting finished up. That's leaving today. Another sport mod coming in and get scaled. Ben, what do you got going on?
Making body braces.
Body braces for this car. Busy, busy, busy. This car's leaving today, like I said. Scaling the car over there. This one's leaving at noon. Got a repair on the jig. Stock car on the jig. Got another repair coming in tomorrow. We gotta get another stock car out yet. So, plenty busy.
So just finished up scaling this hot rod here. So I got a little footage of scaling cars. It's starting to be race season around here for us, so there'll be lots of cars coming in and out getting scaled. Ben and Lyle are running up the sport mod that's leaving today to Missouri, I believe. This guy's gonna come off the jig, get that to powder coat. Gonna get this one all fixed up, get this one out of here, and then it'll be hammer down time. So, alright, there you go. Hope you enjoy. So one car leaves and another one comes. What's that? Alright, so we're gonna finish this one off. Patrick is here late with me tonight. He is finishing this one off, right?
Yep.
And it seemed like today, one car came in, one car went out. Came in, went out. We did a scale job. And then we had a new owner come and pick up a car from Missouri. This one's going to Oregon to our good friend Don Schatz. And then this one came in. This is a 19. This one came in, kind of seen that a little bit. Came in, he wants us basically to just turn it into a turnkey car. He supplied most of his stuff. He supplied the body, he supplied the engine, everything. So he just ran out of time and just needs a little bit more time is what I'm assuming, right?
Yep.
And so he just asked us, and since we are kind of slowing down, we got like 5 cars left to build. So Patrick will be busy for the next 10 days.
Yeah.
So we'll get these turned out of here, and
This won't take too long. Ben will have this done by next week probably.
Yeah.
Motor's coming when he comes back up, so not a big deal. That one will be done in the morning right away, and then we got a repair coming in right away in the morning, so.
yeah, we got a guy roll over a car, so he's bringing that up to get it back on the jig and make sure we get that tuned up and ready to go for him. So like I said, today was we scaled the sport mod, got him out of here, got the sport mod out just as the sport mod was leaving. This guy came in and yeah, so staying busy. Staying busy just when you think you're gonna slow down and you're gonna get a breath of fresh air. It all starts happening again.
It's
so,
flipped upside down.
So yeah, so that's probably gonna be it for this video, and hope you enjoy, and remember to
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Alright, awesome.